Navigating a vibrant city like New York can be an adventure, and for many, accessibility is key to experiencing it fully. Have you ever wondered about the public transportation options available for everyone, especially those with mobility needs? You'll be happy to know that yes, absolutely, all New York City Metropolitan Transportation Authority, or MTA, buses are fully accessible for wheelchair users. This means you can count on them for reliable and inclusive travel throughout the 5 boroughs. The full accessibility of the MTA bus fleet is a direct result of the Americans with Disabilities Act, or ADA, ensuring that public transportation services are usable by people with disabilities. Every bus is equipped with either a hydraulic lift or a ramp, allowing seamless boarding and exiting. Inside, buses feature designated securement areas for wheelchairs, complete with safety belts and straps to keep riders stable during the journey, along with priority seating for other passengers with disabilities. Bus operators receive specific training to assist passengers using these accessibility features, ensuring a smooth and respectful experience for everyone. They are there to deploy the ramp or lift, help with securement if needed, and answer any questions you might have about using the accessible features. Beyond the lifts and ramps, many MTA buses also have a feature known as kneeling buses. This allows the bus to lower its front end closer to the curb, reducing the step height and making boarding easier for individuals with limited mobility, even if they do not use a wheelchair. The MTA also provides additional complementary paratransit services, like Access a Ride, which works in conjunction with the fixed-route bus system. Knowing that every MTA bus is wheelchair accessible empowers you to explore New York City more independently and confidently. This commitment to accessibility means more freedom to visit museums, connect with friends, or simply enjoy the unique rhythm of city life, ensuring that getting around is an inclusive experience for all.